Good evening, everyone. Today we are gathered here for a physio talk, and the topic is low back pain. Clinically, there are 4 segments in the spine. The first one is cervical, second is thoracic, third is lumbar, and fourth is sacral. When you have a pain in the lumbar region, it is called as low back pain. Low back pain may be due to any muscle sprain or any ligament sprain. This muscle sprain and ligament sprain are caused due to any lifting heavy overweight or awkward movements or awkward postures or any muscle spasms. Poor posture is also one of the reasons for the low back pain. There are some structural deformities which causes low back pain, that is disc herniation, disc bulge, obesity, strenuous lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle and all. So you need to take few precautions to reduce the pain, and there will be 3 phases of pain. The first phase is acute, the second phase is subacute, and the third phase is chronic. In acute phase, the pain lasts for 1 month. In the subacute phase, the pain lasts for 3 months. And in the chronic phase, the pain lasts for 1 year. So the investigations for low back pain is CT, MRI lumbar spine, and X-ray lumbar spine. Pressure on the muscles leads to low back pain. The pressure is caused due to lifting heavy weight. This is the main reason for low back pain. There is a disc herniation. It may be posterior or anterior. If there is a posterior herniation, it will cause pressure on the spinal nerves, and this leads to a pain called sciatica pain. The pain in sciatica will be radiating from the hip to the ankle region. So the main common treatment for sciatica is you have to do regular exercises along with regular medication. So there is a specific exercise called McKinsey's exercises which helps in posterior herniation pain. So exercises are done for spinal muscle pain, but these exercises should be prescribed by the physiotherapist so that you can be happy in doing the exercises. There are certain poses which are helpful in preventing the low back pain, that is child pose, hip flexion, pelvic tilt, forward bending and backward bending. These positions will help you when you have low back pain. And there are some precautions you need to follow when you have a low back pain. There are 3 precautions. When you wake up from a bed, you have to roll to the side and wake up from the bed. This reduces the muscle pain. And the second point is you can put a pillow underneath your knees. If you put a pillow underneath the knees, it will help in relaxing the spinal muscles. And the last point is the sleeping position. When you sleep on a bed, you should turn to the left or right side, placing a pillow between both of your knees. This will help you in reduction of the muscle pain. And I will follow that and have a happy and safe night.